Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a completed pages video as well as whips for November and October. Just getting started. So this is a Whimsical Darlings one from Yana, Prosperina. I had started it with Copic markers and then just never finished it, but I may come back to it. So then I have my whip in Small Victories. Zoom you guys in. I had started this on my live stream, and honestly I just haven't had time to sit down and color ever since I got the new job, so I do want to finish that, but I'm kind of moving towards Christmas stuff now. Alright, Fairy Celebrations. I have I should keep this one out because there's some cute Christmas ones in here too. Alright, where are you? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so this page over here I had colored years ago, like at least 3. And so I wanted to do the same color scheme. The background I actually started with Prisma though instead. And then I put like some gold glitter Mod Podge, stickles, but everything else is Prisma. I couldn't remember this Prisma combo, so I was like, well, I'll just do something else. That's a lesson in life. Write down what you're doing. Okay. Now, some of these are also from October. So I had started this one and never finished it and probably won't. I was using the color palettes in October that Erica from Elm Colors was doing, and I just couldn't figure out how to finish it. This one I did post on my Instagram. It is a Yana Prosperina one, and I had done another palette that Erica had shared. I think it was like the Forest Witch palette. I can't remember, but yeah, it was a really fun little challenge too. Okay, and Gnome's Sweet Gnome. I've got 2 copies, so it can get a little convoluted. It's like, what did you start on? I still have this whip. I need to finish this whip, but I don't know if I'll get to it this month. That one I did in September. So yeah, just the whip in there. I have some pages marked, but I want to make sure. Yeah. So this one here I had done in October, all with Prisma. It turned out okay-ish. I guess I wasn't super thrilled with it, but I do still need to add the gold accent. I was going to add gold for the letters, and I never did. I also did this one with Prisma, and I thought it was just too cute. I liked just sticking with the purples and blacks. I'm actually, for Halloween, I tend to do that. This one here, I started on a stream, and it's still a whip. I don't know why. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I just, every time I turned to it, I couldn't get going. Same with this one. This is a whip from October with Inktense. This is a whip that I had started, and I just never got around to finishing. Here's another one I did do in October. It doesn't look like the bags are colored, but they are. I was trying to make them clear, and I kind of failed at that, I think. But that one was from September. So yeah, I did quite a bit in this book. Okay, I don't know. Did I actually color something in here? I think it's in my other. Oh, I did color this one. The group I'm in, the Enchanted Faces group, had selected this gal. Now I ended up coloring her twice. So I've colored her last year in my other book that I'm almost finished with, and so I redid her in this one, so I need to remember to upload that picture. So yeah, I've colored her here. So here's this version. Because then in my larger one, I was like, I actually wasn't doing this on purpose. I thought I hadn't colored it yet. So I went and did it again. But I do actually like the way this one turned out way better. I do love her mini books, especially because it's Create Space paper, but I ended up enjoying this one 10 times better. I added a little black glitter sparkle to her wings. So yeah, I have the two versions, not on purpose. So we got the mini and the big one, but hey, different color schemes, right? So yay there. I thought it was kind of funny. All right, and Enchanted Faces. So this was actually the other one for our group color. So I did do this one with Prismacolor. It was like, I forget what her name is, something in the walrus. And then I also completed this gal. I had actually started her last year with a marker base, so I went over with my Prismas and kind of finished this one out. The rest are not from this one. I do have this whip though. I'm almost done. These are the only ones left to color here, so I'm really excited. But I did just start this gal, so I'm hoping I'll finish her, and then I'll probably switch to Christmas mode, but I need to put her up front. I also have to set these all aside to take pictures. Okay, supposedly I colored something. Oh, I did. So in Fantasy Faces, this is that new one from Hannah Lynn. This is the pocket-sized. I colored this gal. I'm not gonna lie, this green is like one of my favorite combos for Hannah Lynn stuff. I like how the red came out. It's all Prisma as well. My favorite pencil for Create Space is Prismacolor, so just can't escape it. But yeah, I like the way the hair turned out on this one. I have a lot to take pictures of. Okay, Gnome Sweet Gnome. You know, there are some Christmas ones in here. I should have added this to my Christmas list. Did I color something in here? Oh, I still have my Forever Whip. It feels like I need to finish this one, but I'm gonna wait till spring. Yeah, I had just put these pages there, but all right. I did start this one. This is a Patreon from Hannah Lynn. It's with Prisma, and I just didn't get around to finishing it, and I probably won't now that I'm kind of out of the, I'm over fall. I'm ready for winter, I guess. I did do this one. This is from the Autumn Gnomes by Mariola Budek. All it needs is a background, and then she'll be done. But it turned out really cute. I just need to put a background on it. I'm just gonna do blue or something simple, but yeah, I really liked it. And then this was a whip. I have a lot of those. I was doing the color palette challenge, and I just did not like the way it looked. So I stopped. I'll probably reprint this and do it a different way. But yeah, I don't like the color combos. Okay, also from that Autumn Gnomes by Mariola Budek is this one here. I really like the way this one turned out. I actually did another one too. I'm on a gnome kick, I'm starting to realize. But again, as you can see, they both need backgrounds, but they both are really, really fun to color. And so yeah, I just need to get the backgrounds done. Let me know if you want to see another stream or even just a video of backgrounds. You guys tend to enjoy those, and I have a lot that need backgrounds, so I'm more than happy to do that. All right, in Autumn Scenes by Teresa Goodridge. Oh, I had started this one because I wanted to do a dark purpley theme, and unfortunately I didn't finish it, so that was kind of a wah-wah, and that was actually it in that book. All right, Autumn Charm. I think I have this whip that I had started with Black Widow, and then I decided I want to switch to Prisma. This one was done in October with Graphitint, so this one was kind of fun. I like the way it turned out, actually. This one I had started, I still haven't finished, but it's with Graphitint as well. No, watercolor pencils. Actually, not Graphitint. Oops. this book, for some reason, I did a lot of watercolor mediums or water activated mediums. This too is water activated, so watercolor pencils. It's still a whip. This one I did here with Prisma in October, and I like the way it turned out. I was practicing making different textures on grass instead of flicking grass, because I would have been there for like ages doing that. So yeah, but that's about it. I don't feel very accomplished for 2 months, but you know what? It's been a rather whirlwind of 2 months, from my Etsy store ramping up, and then I got a job opportunity that I took, and then all of a sudden, like 2 weeks went by and I hadn't colored a thing, and I was getting grouchy. So I actually noticed like I was, you know, kind of not giving myself me time. So if there's anything I can emphasize to all of you who watch, if you're still watching at this point, no matter what, you have a new job, responsibilities, set aside an hour a day, because that's what I'm challenging myself to, is no matter what, that hour is my hour. And I'm doing it 1 hour before the kids get home from school. That will be my hour where I sit down and diamond paint or color or stare at the wall. I don't even care, but it will not be work related or anything of that matter. It'll be I've labeled it in my calendar as my recovery hour, simply because we all need that. And like I said, I've noticed I've been grouchy because I haven't been coloring or getting any coloring or diamond painting done. And there's nothing worse than just having whips or not being able to relax. So that's just one gal's 2 cents. I hope you all had a great Halloween, Thanksgiving. I'm really looking forward to the holiday season. I get my nails done tomorrow, so I'm going to have some cute holiday nails. I want to get into the holidays like hardcore this year. So if anyone's with me, let's do that. The Etsy store will have the limited edition box come out. That will be on my other channel. However, there will be 50 boxes and they will be priced cheaper because I had a request if there was a way to make them cheaper. So these will be cheaper, but not by much, because they still have the custom trays, custom pens, custom cover minders, custom stickers, and you know, the limited edition scents. So there's only so much wiggle room in that price. But these will be a little bit cheaper than they have been the last couple months. LEP and I have collaborated and created these sparkly silverish white trays, so they're actually gonna look kind of like snowflake-ish. And oh my gosh, the January one, we've already planned that out. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, so I should have that information for you guys here very soon. So yeah, that is my November pages and what I'm up to. I am going to try and get myself back on schedule with everything, you know, streaming and whatnot. It's been hard starting a new job and just learning the ropes, and yeah, you all know how it is when you start a new job. And then of course my kids are all doing their sports still, and then they have activities for Christmas and choir. So it's like, I don't think I ever really get too much like in there, but I am going to try to do a lot of self-care in December. So join me in that. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. And until next time, take care. Bye now.